Welcome to Fast Learn Academy, in collaboration with Ezyscholar Academy, your shortcut to smarter learning. In today's video, we'll unlock the basics of C programming, one of the most powerful and foundational coding languages in the world. Whether you're an absolute beginner or brushing up on your skills, this quick and simple guide will help you understand how C really works, step by step. Let's get started. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered how programming languages like Python or Java actually came to be, it all started with a humble yet powerful language, C. In this video, we'll explore the basics of C programming, what it is, why it's important, and how you can start writing your first C program today. So, let's dive in. Section 1. What is C? C is a general-purpose programming language created in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. It was designed to help build operating systems. In fact, the Unix operating system was written in C. What makes C so special? It's a middle-level language, meaning it combines the power of low-level hardware control with the simplicity of high-level programming. In simple terms, you can use it to talk directly to your computer's memory, while still writing readable code. Many modern languages, like C++, Java, and even Python, have roots in C, so learning it gives you a strong foundation to understand almost any programming language. Section 2. Why learn C? You might be wondering, why should I learn C when there are easier languages out there? Here's why. 1. It teaches you how computers actually work, from memory to data flow. 2. It's lightning fast, making it ideal for systems programming, embedded devices, and performance-critical apps. 3. It helps you understand logic, algorithms, and structure in a clean way. Think of learning C as learning the grammar of programming. Once you master it, every other language becomes easier. Section 3. The structure of a C program. Now let's look at the structure of a simple C program. Every C program typically follows this format. #include int main, printf, hello, world, return 0. Let's break this down. #include. This line includes a standard library that lets us use functions like printf to display output. Int main, this is the main function. Every C program starts executing from here. Printf, hello, world. This prints text on the screen. Return 0. This tells the computer the program ran successfully. Even though this looks simple, it forms the basis for all C programs. Section 4. Variables and data types in C. Variables are like containers that store data. Each variable must have a type, such as int for integers, float for decimal numbers, char for single characters, double for large decimal numbers. Example: int age equals 18, float height equals 5.9, char grade equals A. C is strongly typed, meaning you must declare the type before using a variable, which helps prevent errors. Section 5. Input and output. You already know printf displays output. To take input from the user, we use scanf. Example: int number. Printf, enter a number. Scanf, %d, and amp. Number, printf. You entered %d, number. Here, %d is a format specifier for integers, and the enamp symbol gives the memory address where the value should be stored. This combination of printf and scanf is how we communicate with users in C. Section 6. Control statements. C also supports decision-making and loops, which make programs dynamic. If age greater than equals 18, printf, you can vote, else printf, you're too young to vote. And a simple loop, for int I equals 1, I equals 5, I++, printf, %d, I. These control statements let your programs think, performing tasks based on conditions and repeating steps when needed. The program starts with #include, which allows the use of input and output functions like printf and scanf. Next, inside the main function, an integer variable called age is declared to store the user's input. This setup prepares the program to take the user's age and decide whether they can vote or not. So, folks, that's the foundation of C programming. You now know what C is, why it's important, and how to write simple programs using variables, conditions, loops, and functions. As you practice what you've learned so far, try to experiment with different examples and challenges. This hands-on approach will help consolidate your understanding and build your confidence in writing code independently. In upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into topics like arrays, pointers, and file handling, the powerful features that make C a true programming classic. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are starting their coding journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding, and stay curious. Section 7. Functions in C. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They make programs organized and easy to debug.